Welcome to SG1 Vlogs. Please like, subscribe and share this video. In olden days, dumplings were used as traditional breakfast. Today I'm showing you how to make these healthy gluten-free dumplings with little millet flour. If you want to avoid sweet, you can use vegetable fillings in these dumplings. I washed these little millets, soaked them for 2 hours and dried them. Then I grinded these little millets into flour. The ingredients are 2 cups of little millet flour. You can take any millet flour. 1 cup of shredded coconut. Half a cup of jaggery. Half a cup of black sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon of clarified butter or ghee. Pinch of salt. When ghee is little bit hot, I'm going to add up sesame seeds and saute them for a minute or 2. I can hear the sizzling sound of sesame seed and it smells really good. Next I'm adding up the coconut and saute this too. After the coconut turned brown, I added jaggery and a quarter cup of water. Jaggery is a type of unrefined sugar cane or palm. The mixture is ready. It is cooked and I'm going to use this as a filling and make some sweet dumplings. I'm going to add up the salt in the flour. Mix these 2 dry ingredients. Now I'm adding up little hot water and make a dough. Take a pan and add a cup of water and cover the steaming plate with a cotton liner. I'm taking dough and making a ball and I'm going to press a little bit on the sandwich bag, or you can take any plastic sheet. Spread a little bit. Take a little bit of mixture and put on this dumpling and close it. Now my dumpling is ready and I'm going to make all the dumplings the same way. Arrange the dumplings on a steamer and steam cook the dumplings for 20 minutes. Reduce the heat to medium-low and let the dumplings steam for another 10 minutes. Look at these steam-cooked dumplings. Healthy gluten-free little millet dumplings are ready to eat. Black sesame seeds are packed with nutrients. They are a good source of energy due to fats like polyunsaturated fatty acids and omega-6. It has lots of health benefits like strengthening bones, heart health, digestive health, and respiratory and vascular health. Jaggery retains traces of iron, fiber and various mineral salts because it is just boiled sugar cane syrup. Little millets are gluten-free, high in fiber and immune-boosting indigenous grain. Thank you for subscribing. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed before. Press the notification bell to receive new video notifications. Thank you friends for watching our videos.